Hi guys, I'm Sang and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to do a very easy and simple cooking of chicken 7-up with vegetables. And I hope you and your family will love this. So let's start. Chicken, fresh coriander leaves, mixed vegetables, onion, dill, garlic, ginger, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, salt, a vegetable oil, and a ketchup. I have here a whole chicken cut into 2 pieces, and as you can see, I put some lines in the chicken to ensure the marinade can seep into the chicken to make it more tasty. Then I add dill, onion, ginger, and garlic. Then I add ketchup and a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, a teaspoon of paprika, and salt. Then I add the oil and all the vegetables. I have here a zucchini, carrots, potatoes, and bell pepper. Then mix it all thoroughly. Make sure the mixture is evenly distributed to the chicken and the vegetables. I will set this aside for a while, and after a few minutes, then I will add some 7-up to it and keep it marinate for 1 hour. So this is it. I already preheated the oven. Now I'm going to transfer it to a baking dish and cook it for about 30 minutes, 190 degrees. Now it's ready to serve. The vegetables are well done cooked and the chicken as well. And then I will sprinkle it with some coriander leaves before serving. It's optional, so it's up to you if you want to put or not. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit likes and share. And please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and God bless. Thanks for watching.